birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. When you write inside, you can define plant life, bacteria, and fungi. You can use the classifications that you see on the floor to then get around. And if you have any questions or approach us, we're happy to help. You can also press the button
Oh my
twice,
God.
helps you to sign and collecting the data. Before it's filled out, so if you need one, you can approach us.
Казват, че някой ден, това са холограми, нали?
Да.
Казват, че някой ден най-вероятно ще наложи в такива стъкленици да
проверки.
бъдат съхранени
Всички видове.
всякакви организми.
Да.
За пази за бъдещето. А това не е.
Да.
Холограми. Ти пристимаш?
Да.